here's the challenge. I need to make a couple knobs for a Marshall guitar amp. The base is plastic. I'm planning on using brass for the top metal piece. Okay. Well, the first part, I got this thing into Fusion 360. Made a little inlay for the brass part. Got the ribs on the side. Got a little hole for the set screw. Here's the underneath. First prototype's in the printer. It might not work out. We'll see. Okay, test number 1. The lines don't show up that well. I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger. Also, there was nothing to support the bottom, so that's not good. Okay, retry. Okay, so I removed the bottom so will sit flat on the build plate. I made these a little bit bigger, more defined. We'll see how that looks in the print. Okay, while version 2 is printing, let's make the insert. Alright, the first prototype fits on there pretty well. Okay, here's the outcome. The 3D printed part. Ready for a little set screw. Here's the brass insert. Put the little chamfer on. Voila.